بنرحب فيكم بحلقة جديدة على منصة كابيتال دوت كوم بالعربية. اليوم حلقة جديدة وخاصة ومن نوع مختلف من دبي من برج خليفة. رح نلتقي أو رح نعمل لقاء مع المدير العام لمنصة أو شركة كابيتال دوت كوم. رح نحكي شوي عن الشركة وعن أهداف الشركة للمنطقة العربية، وكمان رح نحكي عن المتداولين الحاليين بحسب إحصائيات كابيتال دوت كوم، شو بيتداولوا أو شو اللي عم يتطلعوا أو شو اللي بدهم يوصلوا له. خليكم معنا. إذن في معنا أو بنرحب بطارق شباب اللي هو المدير التنفيذي والمدير العام اللي بشركة كابيتال دوت كوم. أستاذ طارق، كيفك؟ كيف الأخبار؟
تمام، كيفك أنت؟
الحمد لله تمام. طارق ما بيحكي كثير بالعربي، يعني شوي فلهيك رح نحكي بالإنجليزي وطبعا رح أحط لكم الترجمة. So Mr. Tariq, can you tell us a little bit about your experience in the industry and what achievement you have done?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for taking the time. I'm really happy with what you have achieved so far with the YouTube channel, and I hope that we can bring value to the listeners. With regards to myself, I've been in the industry now for a good 10 years. I've started my career in London on the dealing floor, servicing customers in Europe, before I came to Dubai in 2014 to help set up a number of different brokerages. And now I've been with Capital.com since last year. And it's a really interesting company that has a lot of advantages, and I think the Middle East is a really interesting market. So I'm sure that we'll talk a little bit more about that and all the fantastic opportunities that the clients in this region have with Capital.com.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about the advantages of the company, or what are the plans?
Sure. So we have been around for a number of years. We have had over 4.2 million people open an account with Capital.com before, out of 180 countries. So we're a really global company. We're regulated in a number of key jurisdictions. And for a customer that is looking to trade with us, there's a number of advantages. One is the funding and withdrawing is really easy. So we have got Apple Pay to fund your account, which is a great feature, and a lot of people like this. We have a product variety that not a lot of other people have out there. So we've got over 130 different cryptocurrencies, CFDs, that you can trade with us. You've got shares, you've got commodities, and especially now, since Q4, the commodities have been very volatile. Gold, oil, natural gas. We've seen a lot of demand from the region in both cryptocurrencies and the commodity side. So that's something that you have one platform where you can trade all the different asset classes that you're interested in. Funding, withdrawing is really easy. And then we've got awards for our platform and how easy it is to use. It being available in Arabic is obviously a great advantage. And having a team that really services this region. Whenever you want to get in touch with us, we should be there answering your questions on any channel that is your preference of choice, whether it's YouTube and you see how many comments are coming on the YouTube channel, phone contact, email. We're obviously available on any of these platforms, and we hope to give a superior service to some of the other players out there.
Great. So we can say that Capital.com is a platform where everybody can come to trade. Like, we can say that some people are interested in crypto, some people are interested in natural gas, commodities, etc., so they can find their needs.
Exactly. And something that we also heavily invest in is education. We know that this market, and especially in Arabic and some of the other languages, is thirsty for more education, right? So we want to help people, even if they're complete beginners and have never traded before, going from newbie to being confident in trading the markets. And that is a cycle that needs attention, and you need to invest some time into learning how the platform works, what a margin call is, how to set a stop loss, risk management. There's so many different things that you can learn. And we have started with your video series where everything gets broken down in a small bite-sized consumable kind of content, so that you spend 4 or 5 minutes and then you should be able to understand one specific topic before you then go over to other topics. On top of that, on top of YouTube, we also have a separate app which is completely dedicated to teaching people about how to trade. It's called InvestMate, and since the beginning of the year it's also available in Arabic, which is great. So English, Arabic, whatever your language of choice, you can definitely, if you want to learn, we provide the tools for you to learn about the markets.
Yes, you're right. I saw that from my journey or this time I spent with you, that you are caring or you care about to learn or to teach the clients, because this is your first priority by offering them this learning app that we translated to in Arabic. So the YouTube channel, now we are going also for the Facebook and Instagram in Arabic. So our goal is to be always there for the clients and to offer quality education.
Yes, and I take that personal. For me, I've been, as I said, I started in 10 years ago, and in these 10 years, it doesn't matter what position I held, I was always there for the clients. I still speak to clients every single day, from beginners to billionaires. I've had everyone speak to me, and everyone faces the same kind of challenges when they go through the journey. Whether you're a beginner controlling greed and fear, don't let your ego get in the way. There's a lot of things that keep repeating themselves, and yes, the stakes may be a little bit higher or a little bit lower, but if you learn how to deal with these emotions, your trading can become a lot better. And helping someone along this journey is something that I'm really passionate about, and I hope that we at Capital.com can convey this and help people, and we're genuine about this.
Yes, you are right. Great. So we go for the next question. I want to ask you, what are your plans for the region? I mean, the Arabic region in Capital.com.
Yeah, I mean, over the last 2 years, as I said, crypto and commodities have been a hot topic, and we want to delve even deeper into these topics and provide even more access to the markets. So something that, as I said, over 100 different cryptos on our platform already. We want to expand that offering even more. If you look at last year, for example, Dogecoin and Shiba went through the roof.
Yes.
And we were one of the ones that had Shiba as one of the only brokers on their platform. We never went down with it, and people always had access to a market. And when you're trading with us, you should be confident that whatever cryptocurrency is shooting up, you should be able to take advantage of this.
Yes.
And as long as we can hedge ourselves, we are very keen to provide as much of a product offering as we can. So we will continue investing into increasing our product portfolio, improving our service, being more present on social media, and giving quality education. So my answer to your question is really to do a lot more of what we have already been doing and to improve our footprint.
That's great. So I want to ask you a question, and I want your answer to be with one or two words. What differentiates Capital.com from other brokers?
Ease of use and product availability.
Great, great. Okay, Mr. Tarek, thank you so much for your time. Do you want to add anything else?
Yeah, so as I said throughout this interview, we're passionate about creating the content that you actually want to see. I would like for you to like and subscribe to the channel, but also write in the comment section what you would like to see from us. What are the things that we can improve? What are the products that you would like to see and trade on our platform? We take that very serious. We love feedback, and we want to help become an even better broker than we already are.
Great, great. إذا هيدي كانت حلقتنا لليوم، بتمنى تكونوا انبسطتوا فيها وعجبتكم. ما كانت متوقعة لأن احنا على أساس إنه مكملين بالسلسلة التعليمية وراح نكمل أكيد، بس قررنا إنه ندخل شغلات جانبية أو فيديوهات جانبية بالإضافة للتعليم حتى نكسر الروتين. إن شاء الله راح يكون في كتير فيديوهات بالأيام اللي جاية راح تعجبكم وراح تكسر الروتين الممل تبع التعليم.